Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel EvaGore. Today will be a tutorial on how to create this really gross fake lip job. To achieve this fake lip job, I started with my favourite on-skin silicone by Composites and mixing pots A and B together, equal amounts of both. Then using a spatula, I applied the on-skin silicone straight onto my lips. Because on-skin silicone takes about 5 to 10 minutes to set, I decided to just put this silicone wherever I wanted it and then started to blend it in after I was happy. I'm then taking some powder, any powder you have is fine, and I'm just popping it all over the lips just to get rid of any shine and to set the silicone completely. And then I'm using my Skin Illustrator skin tone palette and I'm taking these shades that I'm pointing at and I'm just going to use my trusty flicking motion onto the lips. To do this motion you will need a hard bristled brush, and you just want to use your thumb or any finger to flick the paint at your desired area. I like using this technique when using the Illustrator skin tone palette. Your skin naturally has so many layers and different colours in it. Doing it this way really gives you that natural effect. I'm then bringing my brush close to the lips and flicking reds and pinks onto them to create that really irritated skin. Because my lips weren't looking pink enough, I just decided to mix a pink shade together and apply that directly onto the lips with a brush. To bruise the lips, I'm taking purples and blues and just dabbing the brush onto the outer corners of the lips. And there you have some gross looking lips. All you need now is a needle and some blood in the needle, and then you just need to squirt the blood on the lips to make it look like you're injecting them. Please do not use real needles. This needle I'm using has a blunt edge and it's used for special effects purposes. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please feel free to comment what you'd like to see next. If you aren't already following me on Instagram, please do. I will leave a link in my description below. I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye.